What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to power off. I'm gonna show you how to force restart, and I'm also going to show you how to reset your Ray-Ban Meta glasses. So without further ado, let's jump into this. Now, if you wanna power them off, it's really simple. So you see your glasses right here. On the left side, you have this little switch right here. I don't know if you knew that. So if you turn it off, you can see that it is now off. There's a red mark. So if you have it off, it will not turn on no matter what you do. It powers it off. This is a great way if you're trying to save battery life or you're bothered by your glasses, like them being on, whatever it may be. This will completely power them off. If you want to turn them back on, all you got to do is just move this just back like that, just flick it back and you won't see that red dot anymore. And then they'll take a few seconds and they'll boot back up and connect to your phone again. Next, I'm gonna show you how to force restart. And if you ever forget, you can obviously watch my video, but you can also go into the app, tap the glasses at the bottom right, tap your glasses from there, and then go into General, and then go to force restart, and it tells you, and I'll walk you through it physically, but he says make sure the power switch is off, which is what I just showed you. Press and hold the capture button, then slide the power switch on. Keep holding the capture button until the LED turns on. So let's do that. All right, so we're gonna switch these off. They're now off. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna press and hold the capture button. That's that button right here on the right-hand side. So we're gonna press that down. Let me go back out. All right, so we're holding the capture button now, and then I'm gonna turn these back on, and we're just waiting to see that LED light come back on, and I can see it right there. It's red, and I'm gonna let go now, and that will force restart them. All right, and then when you wanna factory reset these, what you're gonna do is close them up so they're just like so. From here, we're gonna press the capture button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we should see this orange light be turned on, and then press and hold it for 5 seconds. And then the light's gonna start pulsating, and that's when we're gonna let go of the glasses and they will start resetting. All right, there we go. It is now pulsating. So you're gonna let go. And after about 30 seconds, they will reset and you'll be able to set them up or sell them or give them away to somebody else at that point. So there you guys go. Hopefully this video was very informative. I know some of you already know how to do this stuff, but it's good to know for someone that's not sure how to do it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys down the road. Peace.